Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to add shapes and elements to design in Snappa. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to snappa.com. Start by logging into your Snappa account and opening the project you want to work on. I'm just going to use a template from here. On the left hand side of the editor, click on the graphics tab. This is where you will find a wide variety of shapes, icons and other design elements that you can use in a project. You can browse your Snappa library of shapes and elements or use the search bar at the top to look for specific items. Once you find the shape or element you want, click on it to add to your canvas. The element will appear on the design and you can resize or position it. You can also change the color of it by clicking on this color picker option. You can rotate it by clicking on this circular icon here. You can flip or rotate from here and set the transparency level by sliding this slider. You can repeat these steps to add more shapes, lines, icons or other graphic elements to your design. Combine different shapes and elements to create more complex designs such as borders, patterns or decorative accents. Once you have added and customized your shapes and elements, preview your design to ensure everything looks balanced and cohesive. When satisfied, download your design or save it for future use. By following these steps, you can easily add and customize shapes and elements in Snappa, enhancing your design with creative and professional touch. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.